How to get rid of blackheads faster. First, you need to know what are blackheads and what causes them. Blackheads are small bumps that appear on your skin due to clogged hair follicles. These bumps are called blackheads because the surface looks dark or black. Blackheads are a mild type of acne that usually form on the face, but they can also appear on the following body parts: back, chest, neck, arms, and shoulders. What causes blackheads? Blackheads form when a clog or plug develops in the opening of hair follicles in your skin. Each follicle contains one hair and a sebaceous gland that produces oil. This oil, called sebum, helps keep your skin soft. Dead skin cells and oils collect in the opening to the skin follicle, producing a bump called a comedo. If the skin over the bump stays closed, the bump is called a whitehead. When the skin over the bump opens, exposure to the air causes it to look black and blackhead forms. How to remove blackheads? Cleanse with salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is the preferred ingredient for blackheads and whiteheads because it breaks down the materials that clog pores, excess oil and dead skin cells. By choosing a daily cleanser with salicylic acid, you can remove these elements in addition to daily dirt, oil, and makeup. Use a clay mask. Clay masks are often considered must-haves for oily skin. They work by retrieving dirt, oil, and other elements deep from your pores. As far as blackheads are concerned, clay masks can even loosen and remove clogged pores. No matter which mask you choose, you can use it once a week in addition to your once or twice weekly exfoliating treatment. Make sure you're using noncomedogenic products. The right cleanser, mask, and exfoliator may do little good if you don't use noncomedogenic makeup and face products. Noncomedogenic means that the product in question won't cause comedons or clogged pores. Not all products are noncomedogenic, so you'll have to read labels carefully. Gently exfoliate with AHA and BHA. For blackheads, though, regular exfoliation can help remove excessive amounts of dead skin cells that can lead to clogged pores. The process may also gently remove existing blackheads. Rather than looking for harsh scrubs, you'll want to focus on alpha and beta hydroxy acids. Glycolic acid is the most common type of AHA, and salicylic acid is a prominent BHA. Both work by removing the top layer of your skin. In theory, this can improve the appearance of wrinkles and age spots, all while cleansing pores and making your skin softer. You'll find that BHA are more widely available on the market, and in some cases, they're more affordable too. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more tips and advice, subscribe to the channel.